So Talent Sprint is a skill development company. We have started the company around 2.5 years back. Primarily, we are actually addressing the lack of skills, employability skills in two sectors, that is the information technology sector and banking sector. So what we do is that the people who are not getting jobs on the campus, especially the engineering graduates that are wanting to go into IT and they are not able to get while they are in the campus, we actually created another 12-week sprint programs in software engineering and software testing. And within this 12-week kind of program, we are actually imparting experiential skills where students are coming, learning some technical skills, they are doing projects with us, and they are also learning a lot of soft skills. Then actually we have signed up with some 40 corporate customers who are actually in need of entry-level freshers. They come to our campus and interview these freshers, and they are giving them jobs. So far in the last 3 years, we have actually trained close to 2,000 people, with more than 1,700 people getting jobs. And actually our goal is that by 2020, we want to address actually 5 lakh engineering graduates in the country by going into various district headquarters across the country. Our goal is by next 10 years, we'll set up some 500 centers across the country and address these skill gaps within the IT and banking sector. So the future plan is that we want to go across the country and address these skill gaps within information technology industry as well as banking and financial services sector. And our goal is actually to create close to 5 lakh employable people in these two sectors by 2020. To do that, we'll be setting up centers across the country, we'll use some remote technology, and we'll create the good programs and curriculum. That is our goal. In Hyderabad, we have, with this new facility, we'll be having close to 520 seats. So because our programs run every 3 months once, in a year, we can actually give around 2,000 plus people from Hyderabad. And similarly, we have a center in Anantapur with seat capacity of 100 people. So every class, when we are doing from here, a class in Anantapur, around 50 people in the class are actually listening to the class. So within Anantapur, again, we have a chance of giving 400 people seats actually. So as we told, we have created a very world-class training infrastructure, and we are charging close to 40,000 rupees, 40 to 50,000 rupees based on the program, and we have bank loan facility available. So that's the facility that we are giving now. So actually we have tied up with the bank, Central Bank. Central Bank came up with a product, a student loan product, very, very specific to Talent Sprint. So students who actually want to join these programs, they are actually, they can apply for a loan. 10% of the fees they will have to pay upfront, but remaining will be paid by the Central Bank.